on, we've got to get to that race.
Thank you, Little Mouse. The race is starting! We have to catch up!
Go, Rocket, go!
We need your help to help Rocket go faster. Pat your hands to the beat of the music.
Rocket is zooming across the globe. He's behind, but he's catching up fast.
Rocket has to go around the Eiffel Tower in Paris. Do you see the Eiffel Tower? Yeah, there it is! Go, Rocket! Now we're heading for the pyramids in Egypt.
Go, Rocket! Hooray! You're almost there!
Whoa, Rocket is passing airplanes left and right.
Keep going! It's the Colosseum in Rome.
Look, there's another plane.
Woohoo! Rocket passed the plane! We're catching up! Wow! The Grand Canyon is so big!
Go, Rocket! I know you can pass that plane.
Hooray!
Rocket is passing everyone, except
Big Jet! Rocket, you can pass him.
Rocket is in the lead. Big Jet is in the lead. No, wait, Rocket is in the lead. The finish line is getting closer.
We have to pat faster. Help Rocket. Pat your hands on your lap. Pat, 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 pat.